Let's go. I want to show you some harakiri, man. Bishop. Oh my goodness, it's not a bullet game. Oh, I just played bishop g5 because that's what I'm playing in bullet. Let's take that pawn. Let's take that pawn. Okay, queen g7, right? I'm up a pawn, okay. Knight b2, right?
All the gold and all the world has nothing to possess.
A long castle should be easily winning for me. He takes d5, knight takes d5. I want to play the long castle. I'm up. I'm willing to give one pawn back. Actually, that long castle is easily going to be the cause of my suspicious position here. I want to play knight e4 if he takes by knight. That's a good thing. Now I'm threatening knight d6, rook d5, knight f6. So I should be winning here. He allowed me tactics. Okay, Kazuko-chan, come to Big Daddy, Kazuko. First check, my baby, first check. First check, Kazuko. And now I'm up in exchange. You know what? Yeah, he resigned. I play this bishop g5 in bullet because they play a6 or knight c6, and that's how I win the queen. But you see, those are some bad habits from the bullet. Let's go next.